grilling steak outside. Step number 1, put some respect on my name. Step number 2, tear that shit open. Step number 4, throw that shit on the grill. Step number 5, season that bitch. Step number 374, wait until you have to flip. Back to step number 38, enjoy the scenery while you can. Oh boy, it's well to say, good morning USA. Alright, going back outside. Step number 39, go inside and check on everyone. You guys doing okay? You guys doing okay? Step number 40, make sure you clean up after yourself. Mom hates it when you leave a mess. Step number 41, check on the dogs who are probably crying.
Hi, little babies. Hi. Oh my god. Hi. Don't you bark at me. I love you.
Step number 52, check on the meat. Flip it if possible. Oh yeah. Son of a bitch. Oh yeah. Step number 60, ask your mom to make the side dishes. Hey, Mom.
What?
Can you make the side dishes?
Side dishes?
Side dishes.
I have cake.
Perfect. Step number 73, go back outside and enjoy the scenery once more. Wow. Wow.
¿Tiene tortilla? Okay. I love you.
Step number 80, go inside and scream in Spanish at your mom. You'll understand if you speak Spanish.
Ama!
Final step, finish the barbecue. You know, the one where I put my meat on your grill. Sweet Mother Teresa, that looks sexier than the hood of a Mercedes-Benz. So that's also important. That can be a side. Last but not least, make sure you let your meat rest. Make sure you have sides. If you don't, grab some tortillas and enjoy the show. So, do me a favor, swipe up and enjoy the show. Any of them, seriously. I'm a talent. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed me making dinner on your grill. I mean, my grill. Hope you learned something. And if you didn't, I'm very sad. Well, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube, I just realized that my last video, I didn't actually put the link to my subscription YouTube channel. Whatever. Swipe up, subscribe, share, and like.